Don't let the size fool you. This little ferret runs the entire house. First, it demands attention like a tiny king. Then it explores every corner, squeezing into places no one expects. Every bed becomes a playground, every doorway is an adventure, and every human is just another toy to chase. Ferrets are fearless, super curious, and full of non-stop energy. One minute they're causing chaos. The next, they're acting like the cutest angel you've ever seen. Would you let this tiny troublemaker live in your home? Follow Animal Community for more adorable animal moments every day.